To show non-speed sound while using Live Transcribe on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to enable Show Sound Labels option in the Live Transcribe setting. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find Accessibility. Tap Accessibility and then tap Hearing Enhancement. Tap Live Transcribe. Next, tap Open Live Transcribe. Tap the settings icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Tap More Setting. Scroll down the screen. Under Event section, tap the gray on offset next to Show Sound Labels until the switch turns blue to turn it on. With the setting, while you are using Live Transcribe, along with the speech, it will show you non-speed sound, including human sounds like laughing, animal sound like bird chirping, or environmental sound like doorbell or music. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.